Hello everyone, welcome back to Telsa Vlogs. This is my premiere today. This is about unboxing and review product of a pore cleaner. You know, in German they call it Porenreiniger. Porenreiniger means to clean. This is a cleaner for the pores. In our face there is a pores here, so if your face need cleaning, especially if you have acne, you have pimples that is need to remove the whiteheads or the blackheads, so this is good for you. This is made in Germany. So I will show you guys what is inside of this box. Okay, let's unbox. Mag-unbox tayo. So like this. Now we will just remove the scotch tape here. Yan na lang natin guys, puputulin natin. We'll just cut out. Okay, so look at here. So this is the packaging. This is the box. Okay, let's put here that you can see. So this is the manual or the user's guide. There is German, English, Italian, and Spanish for this. So this is available at Aldi supermarket. So if you are living in Europe, you can find this one from Aldi supermarket. So inside of this box, so this is it. Okay, so this is the machine, and this one is the different types of the nozzle. This one is just like a vacuum for your skin to suck the pimples, to vacuum, and the pimples, what is inside in your pimples, like something green that you want to remove, this, the blackheads, the whiteheads, so it will clear your pores. So I will show you how to use this one. Okay, so this one is a different nozzles, and this one is changeable. Okay, so I have here this one. This one is the charger. I will show you first the charger. This one is the charger. So we can connect this one to this one, and this one will be connected to your machine. So this is our machine. So this is a chargeable machine. Look at here, and we will connect this one to the extension here. Okay, ganyan siya. So it will, there is an indicator, red light, if it is charging. Okay, because it is charging, so this is the indicator, red light. So we will remove, and I will show you what is in here. So this one is the off on. Look, So you can adjust this one. This is the soft on the top, soft, and the next is here, second. This is soft, and the second is medium or normal, and the last one is the strong. Okay, so this one is the nozzle. Okay, look, this one is changeable. Look, you can put it here. This is one, this type is small, and you can do it like this. Oh, it's just like a vacuum to look at my face. Oh, bina-vacuum niya yung pores mo. So look, so if you have a pimples, it will vacuum your skin, the pores, and it will remove, because this machine will vacuum your pores like this. And this type of nozzle is with metal. This is cold when you do it in your face like that. It is very cold because this one with metal. So we're going to change this one with other nozzle. So I have here different nozzle. So we will change. Look at here, 1 2 3 4. So we have oval shape. So this one is oval shape. We will use this one in our nose here. Okay, on the tip of our nose like this. Okay, so I will show you. We will change and put here. Okay, and we will start this one. I'm going to use the soft one. This the top is soft, the second is normal, and the last one is strong. So this one is oval shape. So it is intended here in this nose like this. Huh? Look at my face. Oh, look at my nose. My nose will become long. Oh. Look. Maybe if every day I will use this one, maybe my nose become long. Oh, look, it, because it will pump. Look, because it will vacuum. This is the strong one. Okay, like this. Oh, look, guys. So if you have a pimples, it will vacuum. Oh, since I don't have pimples, so we cannot see the effect. So if somebody have more pimples, especially yung mga may mga nana na, so itama mo yan dyan, and it will, yung ginaganyan, so it will pump up your skin, and the pimples, what is inside the pimples will come out like that. Okay, so I will show you again. So this one oval shape is for here, for the nose, like this. Look. Look. Oh, it will vacuum. Maybe every day I will use this one, my nose become long. So no need for nose slip. Just do it like that. So every day your nose will become more longer. So we will change the other one. This is for this side. And we will change the round one. Okay. We will put in the strong. Okay, like this. Oh, look. No? So here, you know, I have here like this one. I don't know if it will remove this one. May kulanggo ako dito. But this one is only intended for clearing your pores if you have blackheads, whiteheads, like that. So I hope guys you like this product review. This is pore cleaner for any skin type, suitable for any skin type, and this is a thorough cleaning of the facial pores. It will vacuum your skin from your pores, and this is available at Aldi supermarket. So if you are living in Germany or in other European countries, so you can find this one. So this is the beginners, this is the manual guide, and this is the body. So this is chargeable, and this one, if you want to put somewhere, so you can put this one, and it will stand in your table like this, like that, so that it will not fall down or like that. Hindi siya matumba. So this is it. So this is made in Germany. Yeah, right. Yeah, Germany. Look at guys, made in Germany. So this is it. So if you like this product, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. And if you want to order this one, just order from Aldi supermarket. You can check their website from the internet, Aldi supermarket. So since I have 2 boxes, so this is the one, and this is it, and we will try once more. It will vacuum your skin, the pores of your nose. Oh, nakakatanggal siya ng mga whiteheads dyan, So if you are having a problem for your skin, so buy this one, and it is a very helpful for you. Makakapatangos pa sa ilong din guys, no? Kasi magbabacuum siya sa ilong natin. Ano ba, no? Hinihila siya yung dulo niya. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you're new to Telsa Vlogs. Please do subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, please do click the super thanks, and your support is highly appreciated. And this is my product review of this Porenreinigung, or in English, pore cleaner. The pores cleaner for the pores in our skin, especially in our face, and also in our skin. We can do it also here, look. So if you have problem in your skin from your arms, so this is very helpful. So this is my premiere unboxing and product review of this Porenreinigung or pore cleaner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next premiere. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy. Ciao.